This is your reading for today. You are coming out of a place which has been very devastating for you. It has been heartbreaking. Somebody close to you has betrayed you, broken your trust, and it is a very, very difficult time for you right now. It's almost as if you don't want to get up and you don't want to walk out of the house, and all you want to stay is stay inside. Take your time, rest, because what you are also learning in this period of rest, and if it is not clear for you, let this reading make it clear for you today that there is a thought going on in your mind above and beyond this heartbreak, where you are turning around things in your mind and you are saying, all this overthinking that I was doing and all this burden that I was carrying absolutely on my own, what for? And you are asking yourself these questions. You are also asking yourself the questions that when it was about me, the other people around me or the situation around me was such that nobody else was able to kind of feel the pain, because I was the one who was doing everything. I was the one who was carrying all the burdens. But the day I told them that now you need to also play an equal role, then suddenly something happened. And then suddenly these people started turning their backs on me. And these are the kind of questions. It is going to be according to your situation, but these could be the kind of questions that you are turning over in your mind. Now, it is a good thing to introspect. Go to the root of this and pull the light on yourself and see that what it is that I needed to do in the situation. If it was becoming so heavy in my mind and it was so heavy on my body, what was I doing in the situation? Now, you are already in the process of creating a new beginning. Whenever we are asking ourselves these questions, we are already in the process of creating a new beginning. As you walk along this path, there may be a few more shakeups, is what the tarot is telling you. But don't be afraid. Those burdens, the overthinking is not coming back. There is a path that you need to follow. Somewhere in your mind you have an idea, it is not very clear. Now this disturbance is more a rearrangement, and it is clearly going to show you the path that you need to follow. This disturbance may also cause certain things to, like in a shake-up, some things break and some things stay, right? What you will be given as an opportunity is that whatever has broken or left, put it aside. Whatever remains, pick it up, put together pieces, come together with those people who are now aligned with you, because they are still with you after the shake-up, and you will build something very, very beautiful. This is what the rearrangement or the shake-up is for. A brand new beginning is coming for you.